I'm wearing Senogles, and currently I'm studying or majoring in health and human performance with a track in exercise science in hopes of being a physical therapist. So I did my project on physical therapy. Super important to have a personalized first aid kit with you later on in your career because you never know what could happen, and having it just is kind of like a safeguard for a few days off. For my 5 typical items, I would do first antibiotic ointment packets, something similar like this, like small wipes. So if I do, when I'm working with equipment or like moving things around or I'm helping my patients and I accidentally cut myself, I want to prevent like infection from those cuts or scratches, and just like it just kills the pathogen from growing, because like obviously later on in the day I'll keep working on other things. I don't want to get infected. Band-aids as well to go with that, so once I use the ointment packet, then I'm covering it up with a band-aid, so I have that with me all the time in different sizes depending on the cut. Aspirin, because I will be moving around a lot, it might cause me to be like sore and I'm standing a lot, so having just like aspirin and like an Advil to reduce that pain or swelling during the day. It's just nice to have cold compress, so maybe if my pain is excessive and aspirin's not helping, and during a lunch break having something like an ice pack would be super nice, just to like help reduce inflammation, and just so I'm just when I'm exhausted from moving around, it would just like be really helpful. Gloves, might sound silly, but if I were to be like sick or something, I feel like it's more of a respectful thing if I'm working with people hands-on and like I am so close, like with personal contact, to like wear gloves just to help from them getting sick, or just if I were to have a cut on my hand or something, prevent myself or someone else from like getting that infection or pathogen that I have. My unique 5, hair ties. So definitely, because I will be moving around a lot and like helping my clients, I want my hair up just so it's not in the way of my people. So just something kind of like these, just to like keep my hair up, because my hair's thick and a lot of times my hair ties break, so it'd be nice to have them. But then also, if I were to forget one someday, just always having that backup. Because I am like, again, will have like really close contact with my clients, having personal hygiene is like super important. So like say I'm moving around a lot one day and I start to get really sweaty or something, having deodorant always super important. And then also like after lunch something, like having a toothbrush and toothpaste, because like I don't want to be talking to my clients or other like coworkers and like having bad breath or smelling bad, so super important. A snack with high protein or like quick sugar, just so that way like when I am busy, because most of the physical therapists I know like are pretty busy back to back with clients, so I know that I probably won't have a lot of time. So say I get hungry, just like something like an apple to provide quick sugar if I'm like feeling really exhausted and need to wake up, or like protein bar if I need something that's going to like be fast but last longer, because that protein allowed me to fill up fast and just stay long, and it's also like healthy. Change of clothes. So first of all, change of clothes, if I were to get too sweaty or exhausted from doing something and it would just be crazy and I just need to change. But also something along with that is having a Tide stick. If I do spill something, it just kind of looks unprofessional to have like a stain on your clothes, so having a Tide stick just in case, because I always spill myself when you're eating, so it's just like super helpful. And then a planner, because I know that having so many clients back to back and just having a crazy day, having that planner will just like help me stay organized within all the chaos that's going on. But yeah, I just think it's really important to have stuff like this in case your day goes rough or like you're forgetting something, and these items just help you almost like stay at peace and just help your day flow better whenever you're off. Yeah.